Hello, my name is Tim Hicks with Algas-SDI. Today we're going to go over a couple features of our new BLENDAIRE II, our parallel pipe mixer. Kind of go types of use, applications, functionality, pressures and capacities. So first we kind of show you kind of the path the air and the vapor take. So on the left side we have our superheated LPG vapor, and on the right side we have our clean, dry, compressed air. So we always lead with LPG. The air follows, and with our sliding gate valve, it's controlled by a PID loop, and we have a feedback signal from a calorimeter or a densitometer that controls our ratio. We have a little bit more about our components. So on our vapor side, we have a brake control valve. So we always lead with vapor. And on the air side, we have a sliding gate valve. So we lead with vapor, and the PID loops quickly catches up. Our air control valve, our sliding gate valve opens. We blend a certain amount of air to a gas ratio. Then we have goes through our outlet valve. It's another Bray actuated outlet valve. So on our outlet valve and our air control valve, they're both controlled by a Siemens actuator. So these directly report back to our PLC, which is an Allen Bradley. With the BLENDAIRE II, you can operate in a couple different operating modes. So one is ARA, or auto ratio. So if you have a densitometer or a calorimeter where you're getting feedback from the gas quality, if you plug in the specific gravity that you want to maintain, you type that in the HMI, the PLC will control the mixer to that specific gravity. Another operating mode is peak shave. So say your customer has 1,500 cubic meters an hour load, and your natural gas is only 1,000 cubic meters available. You can program this to supplement the 500 cubic meters shortfall that you have, and the mixer will only use so much LPG air to make up that shortfall. Another operating mode is line pack. So if you don't want to peak shave, you can set your pressure to cut in and out based on pressure. So if you want 40 pounds in your pipeline, you cut your cutout pressure at 42, and as soon as it drops down to 40, it'll kick back on. With the BLENDAIRE II mixer, we can blend anywhere from 5 million up to 1 billion BTUs an hour in pressures, 5 PSI up to 250 PSI. The sizing of the BLENDAIRE and the controls will change with capacity and pressure. So at higher pressure, we can get more flow and capacity through a parallel pipe mixer like this. This specific unit's a B750. It's set up for 45 PSI and roughly 360 million BTUs an hour. With the BLENDAIRE II, this specific model that is shown here today is Class 1 Div 2, Group D requirements. It is also FM approved. We do have options for ATEX. It's a different type of control box for hazardous locations. We have these installed from the harsh conditions of the Middle East to the harsh conditions of Canada and the upper Midwest and the USA, down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're in the market for a safe, reliable, efficient, easy to use natural gas baseload or backup system, please reach out to Algas-SDI and we can answer any questions you have.